Hi everyone, this is Hannah Romero. I am the social media manager and a reporter here at the Rocket Miner, and today I'm bringing you our daily coronavirus update for March 17th, 2020. Happy St. Patrick's Day, guys. Hope that you're finding fun ways to celebrate while you're staying safe. Today we have a few new updates and information about the coronavirus. Today, the number of Wyoming residents that have been diagnosed with COVID-19 went up to 11. Last night it was at 10 because yesterday there were 7 people in Fremont County who tested positive for the disease. Today, an older adult male resident in Laramie County tested positive for COVID-19. So in addition to the 3 cases that we had last week, that brings Wyoming's total up to 11 confirmed cases. The total cases that are confirmed for the U.S., according to the CDC, is up to 4,226 cases, and there have been 75 confirmed deaths from it. Today, the Sweetwater County Commission held their meeting, and they approved a resolution that will close most county facilities to the public. So buildings that will no longer be open to the public include the courthouse, except for the district courts, the Sweetwater County Historical Museum, which means that they'll have to cancel the upcoming events that they had planned, the Road and Bridge facilities, the Sheriff Department Administration Building, the Detention Center, the Eden Valley Community Center, and the Health and Human Services Building in Rock Springs, with the exception of Essential Public Health Services. And that's the main county buildings that will be closed. All of the other county buildings will also be closed. Services will still be offered by these organizations by appointment or phone or online. And we will have a story in tomorrow's edition of the paper that gives more details on the county commission meeting. Last night, the Sweetwater County Library System announced that all county libraries and the Community Fine Arts Center are closed until further notice. This means that all library programs and events that were at the library will be canceled for the duration of this closure, as well as community meetings in all library facilities. Thankfully, the library has a lot of online resources, and those are all still available to the public. The library system is also continuing to provide public Wi-Fi 24/7 outside of all of their locations. So you can check into the resources that they have and are still offering online. Today we also got news that all of the YO Movies locations are closing down, and most of the cinemas and movie theaters in the nation are closing down. This is all the YO movie locations, including Rock Springs, Green River, Casper, Laramie, and Cheyenne. I talked to some local workers from Star Stadium today. They said that the theater is not expected to open again until May 1st. But you can follow YO Movies on Facebook. They update regularly, and you can get more information about it there. So here at the Rocket Miner, we want to keep providing you with all the best news and updates regarding the coronavirus, which is why we started these daily videos. And we're also continually updating our website, our social media pages. You can follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. We're posting things as quickly as we can and sharing information so that we can stay up to date with a situation that is continually changing. We do have a section of our website now at rocketminer.com. If you put in rocketminer.com/coronavirus, it will take you there. And that is a page that is completely dedicated to consolidating all of our information, including these video updates, our stories, national and world stories about the developments with COVID-19. So you can check that there and get more information. But here at the Rocket, we also don't want to just give you news and numbers. We're people. We're going through this too. We care about all of you who are going through this. And so we want to do as much as we can to stay positive and to give you resources and help and fun things that will help all of us get through this time together, as everyone is encouraged more and more to self-isolate, as events and buildings are being closed and canceled. we want to help give you resources and things that you can do that will be positive and encouraging and uplifting. So in addition to the daily coronavirus update videos where we'll share the latest news with you, we also want to start making more videos that will share ideas of things that you can be doing while everyone is self-isolating. And whether that's movies or series to binge watch, or books to read, or crafts to do, or educational resources you can share with your children while they're home from school. We just want to give you a variety of things that will hopefully be entertaining and fun to watch and give you more options and ideas for what we can be doing to still find enjoyment and to keep living our lives in this time, so that we're not just panicking, we're not just hiding, but we're living, we're just being careful and protecting people. And we want to help you keep doing that. I want to end today's update with a quote that's been going around social media. It's by Dr. Lindsay Jernigan. It says, "Try this perspective shift. Instead of seeing social distancing and travel bans as panic, try seeing them as acts of mass cooperation intended to protect the collective whole. This plan is not about individuals going into hiding. It's a global deep breath, an agreement between humans around the planet to be still. Be still in hopes that the biggest wave can pass without engulfing too many of the vulnerable amongst us." Thank you guys. Keep watching us for more updates and information and for more of those videos on fun things that you can be doing during this time. And just stay safe, be smart, and don't panic. Just remember, it's a deep breath. And we're all in this together, and we're all going to get through it together. Thank you guys. Have a good night.